What is up, guys? I know it's been a while since I haven't posted a video. It's because I broke my hands. It's just a long story, but let's get to it. I finally bought something for my car. I bought the PCV and CCV system oil cash cans from Mishimotto. I've been wanting to buy these for a while, but I couldn't, but now I do, and I have them right here. So I'm gonna show you guys what it comes with and how to install them and what to do after 1,000 miles to check up on them. So let's get to it. All right, guys, well, I already opened mine, but let me just show you what it comes with. So it comes with these hoses for one oil cap can. This one's for the other one. Here's your holder. Here's the other holder for the other oil cash can. Boom, boom. You got a little air freshener right here, and then some stickers with them, and then the two beauties right in here. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. All right. Oh yeah. Boom. Oh man. They're both like this. They both look like this, but just one with this hose and the other one with this hose. Alright, so the tools that you're gonna need are a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench, a 4 and a 6. You need a torque T30. You need a 1.5 extendo. You need a 10 millimeter. You need a ratchet, a wrench, 18 millimeter, 19, and then you need some cutters just in case if to cut some of the tubes. Alright, guys, you want to pop your hood. You're gonna screw your cap, set it to the side. You want to get your torque, which is a size 30. Take this screw out right here. Once you got that, pull this up, pull it towards you. Once you got the cap off, make sure you put the oil cap back on. Alright, guys, so next step is you want to put on the fittings. There's two different ones. There's a small one, looks like this, and there's a bigger one like this. You want to install the small ones first because these other two are gonna go for the CCV. So we'll worry about that later. So just install the next. I'm gonna put on the holder. Then you have these small little washers right here. I don't know. Put them on the small little screws. For now, just leave them loose so you can adjust it when you put it on. So just leave it loose for now. The next thing you want to do is you want to get your 10 millimeter to unscrew this bolt right here, which is connected to the fuse box. And there's another screw here, or another bolt right here that you want to unscrew. Once you have those two out, and let me see if we can take them out here. Once you have those two, you get your fitting, put it in like this, and just align it, and put the bolts back on. Alright, so once you install the fitting for there, you want to unbolt the CCV hose. This connects to the intake. You I'm gonna bolt it with a 10 millimeter. Right. From there's this clip right here. There's this clip right here that you just have to pull up, push it out. That's it. So then bring this side all the way over here. So that way you have an easier access to reach this bolt right here. Alright, so the next step is you want to locate this hose right here and then get two clamps and take it with you. You get this side, plug it in the one that says out. Alright, so once you plug it in the one that says out, you want to bring this down and bring it up here. Oh shit. From there, we'll go on to the next step. Alright, so once you brought it, you connected here, you brought it under here. You want to get your this, which is a double bar that goes into the hose. Just slip on. You want to put in the clamp in there too. After that, you want to get the 6 millimeter Allen key. So unbolt this right here. Alright, once you remove that bolt that was here, you want to add the adapter, the PCV adapter. Make sure when you go in, try to avoid like hitting this top piece, and try to put some engine oil to lubricate it. And when going in, you need to be very careful and just tighten it with your hand. Don't tighten it too tight because then you can break it. Alright, so the next thing what you want to do, you want to grab the two hoses and the two clamps. Grab these. Put this big one to the side. You want to get the small one. Alright, so mine ended up like this. So I'm going to have to cut this hose. So basically, I'm just going to stick this one in. All the way in. Just like that. And then grab this to measure it to where I can cut it. So if yours ends up like, let's say if this ends up on the other side, you're fine, you don't have to cut anything, but mine ended up on that side, so I guess I'm gonna have to get to cutting. Alright, so once you've put in the first hose, see, I cut mine right there. Put it in. Don't tighten the clamps yet. Just wait until you put in the other hose, which is this one, which I'm gonna do right now. So it's gonna be looking like that. Alright guys, once you put on the clamps and you tighten them all the way down, all you need is a flathead. The next thing you want to do is you want to adjust the oil catch can that's down here, and get your 2.5 Allen key and tighten it down. That's it. Alright, once we're done with the PCV, we want to move on to the CCV. We have these fat ones here. Want to put that in. Alright, so by the way, there's these two screws which are really fat and thick, you know what I'm saying. These go up here, that connects to the other to the fitting right next to the other oil catch cans, and these small ones go on top of the oil catch can to support it. Alright, so you want to get the fittings and put them in here. Remember, don't tighten them too tight. So once that's in, I'm going to put this on the top. Put in the little washers in. Remember, don't tighten it fully because you have to adjust it towards the end. Alright, so next step is to put this oil catch can here on the bottom, and then put the two screws on the top. the Allen key, which is a 4mm, and you just tighten it all the way because we don't have to adjust it. It's tight, and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so the next step you want to do is you want to grab these two tools. These tools are meant to bend. So there's locks right in here. You just need to stick it in. There's two sides, one here, one in the bottom. Stick it in, and it'll unplug by itself. Same here on the other side. I'll let you know how long that takes. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is you want to grab the fitting for this one right here, put it in with the clamp, and then you put in the other one with the clamp here, in the in, out, in, put in the in. Make sure it fits everything. Once you put it in, you're gonna hear it click, and it's in, and then all you have to do is just tighten in the clamps. Alright, so the last part is you want to put on the clamps here, and then you want to put in the small fitting on this one, this side towards the left, and then the bigger fitting on the right. And then from there, it should go in like this. I'll show you how it looks afterwards. Alright, so once you put it in, you have the clamp here. You want to put this under right here. And then after that, you want to put in the other clamp in here where it goes to the intake, and make sure everything's tight. And by the way, to take these fittings out from the last video, it took about 5 minutes. Not that bad. The last part you need to do is just tighten down these bolts with a 2.5mm Allen key. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video. I'll try to post more videos about my car because it's been so long and I've just missed posted videos. But I'll try to post more videos and buy more things for my car, honestly. But have a great one, and thanks for watching.